Giles Montessori and School. Common irregular verbs and their forms: be, was/were, been. Arise, arose, arisen. Bear, bore, born. Beat, beat, beaten. Become, became, become. Begin, began, begun. Bite, bit, bitten. Break, broke, broken. Bring, brought, brought. Build, built, built. Burn, burnt, burnt. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. Choose, chose, chosen. Come, came, come. Cut, cut, cut. Deal, dealt, dealt. Dig, dug, dug. Do, did, done. Draw, drew, drawn. Dream, dreamt, dreamt. Drink, drank, drunk. Drive, drove, driven. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Feel, felt, felt. Fight, fought, fought. Find, found, found. Fly, flew, flown. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. Get, got, got. Give, gave, given. Keep, kept, kept. Know, knew, known. Lay, laid, laid. Learn, learned, learned. Leave, left, left. Lose, lost, lost. Make, made, made. Meet, met, met. Pay, paid, paid. Put, put, put. Read, read, read. Ride, rode, ridden. Ring, rang, rung. Rise, rose, risen. Run, ran, run. Say, said, said. See, saw, seen. Sell, sold, sold. Send, sent, sent. Shake, shook, shaken. Shine, shone, shone. Sing, sang, sung. Sink, sank, sunk. Sit, sat, sat. Shoot, shot, shot. Shut, shut, shut. Shrink, shrank, shrunk. Sleep, slept, slept. Smell, smelt, smelt. Speak, spoke, spoken. Teach, taught, taught. Wake, woke, woken. Go, went, gone. Grow, grew, grown. Hang, hung, hung. Hear, heard, heard. Hide, hid, hidden. Hit, hit, hit. Hold, held, held. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Weep, wept, wept. Win, won, won. Ring, rung, rung. Write, wrote, written. Think, thought, thought. Throw, threw, thrown. Wear, wore, worn. Weave, wove, woven. Spell, spelt, spelt. Spend, spent, spent. Spread, spread, spread. Spring, sprang, sprung. Stand, stood, stood. Steal, stole, stolen. Sting, stung, stung. Strike, struck, struck. Swear, swore, sworn. Sweep, swept, swept. Swim, swam, swum. Take, took, taken. Tear, tore, torn. Tell, told, told.